This creamy penne alla vodka tastes like a restaurant dish, but it's made with simple groceries at home. It's rich, comforting, and perfect for an easy weeknight dinner without spending a fortune. I'm going to show you how to make this impressive meal in just a few simple steps. First, let's get our pasta going. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add your penne pasta and cook it until it's just al dente. This means it should still have a little bite to it. Once it's done, drain the pasta and set it aside for later. Don't rinse it. We want that starchy goodness to help the sauce cling to the pasta. Now for the star of the show, the creamy vodka sauce. In a large skillet or pan, heat up some olive oil and a knob of butter over medium heat. The combination of oil and butter gives it a really nice flavor. Once the butter is melted, add a finely diced onion. Cook the onion for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, until it becomes soft and translucent. You don't want it to brown, just to soften up. Next, add your minced garlic. Be careful here, as garlic can burn quickly. Cook it for just 30 seconds until you can smell that wonderful fragrant aroma. Now, it's time to add the tomato paste. Stir it in and let it cook for about a minute. This step is crucial because cooking the tomato paste deepens its flavor and removes any raw, tinny taste, giving our sauce a rich, complex base. Here comes the fun part. Carefully pour in the vodka. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes, stirring to scrape up any bits from the bottom of the pan. This will cook off the alcohol, leaving behind a subtle, sharp flavor that balances the richness of the cream. Make sure you let it reduce a bit. Once the vodka has cooked down, lower the heat. Now, stir in the heavy cream. Keep stirring gently until the sauce becomes beautifully smooth, creamy, and turns that iconic pinkish-orange color. It's time to season. Add a good pinch of salt, some freshly ground black pepper, and if you like a little kick of heat, some red pepper flakes. Adjust the seasoning to your taste. Finally, add the cooked penne directly into the pan with the sauce. Toss everything together until every single piece of pasta is beautifully coated in that luscious, creamy sauce. Let it simmer for a minute so the pasta can absorb all those amazing flavors. To finish, stir in a generous amount of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. The cheese will melt into the sauce, making it even more decadent. Serve it up hot, and don't forget to garnish with some fresh basil leaves. The fresh basil adds a pop of color and a fresh herbal note that cuts through the richness of the sauce. And there you have it, restaurant-quality penne alla vodka, made right in your own kitchen. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's one of my absolute favorites for a reason. Let me know in the comments how it turns out for you. If you want more recipes like this, I will leave a link in the description below, so you can browse our full cookbook sets in our Etsy shop. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoy easy, budget-friendly recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe.